Bobbies, and in this video we're gonna do an unboxing about this amazing RC plane called Champ Ready to Fly version.
So if you buy this plane, you will have everything you need to fly it. So what this box has inside is the radio, AA batteries, the LiPo battery for the plane, and the charger. What I like about this charger is that it is not on the controller, it is separate, so it is portable.
So if you're in the fields flying and the battery finishes and you want more of the plane, instead of going all the way to your house to charge it again, you can just wait 5 minutes or 10 minutes for it to charge a little.
Yeah, that's very good, no? So this is a trainer plane. That means that this plane can be your first plane, and this is a very easy flying plane. It will teach you how to fly and how to use RC planes. So if you
since it's just 38 grams, we don't recommend to use it in wind,
because you won't really enjoy it and it will just keep falling, so don't do it.
You won't control the airplane. The wind will control the airplane, not
Yeah.
you.
Oh, specs. So the wingspan is 20.3 inches. From the length, it is 14.3 inches.
Which is 365 millimeters.
And yeah, and the total weight of the plane is 38 grams, so that's why we don't recommend it flying with wind.
So let's open it.
Alright. So when you first open this box, the first thing that you can see is that everything is tight, it's packed very tightly. So the reason for that is that in the shipping it won't get damaged. So let's take all of the things out of the box. So first let's take these things that hold the plane. So this is the plane. This is the charger. This is the radio. And this is a LiPo battery. And this is the AA batteries. Just note that these are not the original ones. I changed them because these are better and last longer. So now we're gonna take a closer look to each element that makes up this beautiful RC plane. So now, first of all, we're gonna start with the radio.
Most important.
Well, everything's important. So this is a 4-channel radio. It is a 2.4 gigahertz. What does that mean?
2.4 gigahertz. Gigahertz means that it's 2.4 gigahertz.
It means that when you're flying it, it won't make any interference with any other RC thing. So you won't have any problem flying this while the other 20 planes are flying.
That's an advantage because before, if there were 2 people flying the same station of frequency,
they couldn't fly.
So it was
yeah.
Or you flying the plane or him. So that was a hard decision because both wanted to fly the plane.
Also, it has a very good thing that you can change modes from 1 to 2 or 2 to 1. So, and here are the 3 buttons.
And I'll talk about the battery.
LiPo battery. Small but powerful.
No, good but small.
Beautiful. So this battery is 1 cell, 3.7 volts, 150 milliamps. Yeah, so pretty small.
And how much time does it last?
Yeah, it is small, but it will give you about 10 minutes of flying.
But it's recommendable to use only 8 because it's not good that, if you use the 10 minutes in any moment, if you're flying it can fall down, so it's better to stop it before.
And you can pause your batteries and they will be useless.
Yes. So, batteries.
The normal batteries.
Inside the box comes with 8 batteries, 4 for the transmitter and 4 for the charger. They're AA batteries.
They're just the normal AA batteries. So now we're gonna talk about the charger. It charges the LiPo battery.
If you think about it, without this, we couldn't fly the plane. It's important.
Well, yeah. How are you gonna charge the batteries?
Yes. Something I really liked about the Champ, man. it's a really good advantage to have the charger like with you all the time while you're flying the plane. Like you can be in a long way, like in the field, outside flying the plane, and your battery finishes. Instead of going all the way to your house to just charge the battery, you have it with you. The
Because it is
next to you.
portable.
Portable.
And
Portable battery.
charger.
Charger.
So now we're gonna talk about the plane itself. So this is a foam. Yeah, foam. Yeah,
Foam.
foam.
Foam
made-
and kind of plastic. In
foam and a
the
little bit of plastic to make it to have some strength. So this is a very like nice design, and in the sky you can really see it because it's orange and yellow. And what do you think about it? Like it is a brushless motor with a really big propeller. So yeah. What do you
It's
think?
kind of, it's really cool, man. Like the design is just amazing. Like before I just get to see it in real life, I didn't like it by pictures. But then you get to actually see it
In
in
your
your hands. It's amazing.
Oh, and another advantage is that you can actually taxi it, the champ, in the floor because
Since the wheel is connected to the rotor.
the back wheel, yeah, it's connected to your rotor, so every time you turn the rotor, the wheel will turn with it. Another disadvantage of this plane is that the wheels, the landing gear won't come off, so you can't really land it. And the battery has some Velcro straps, so we actually connect it here and then to the Velcro. So sometimes when you're like in the air, the Velcro, the actually battery might fall out and you cannot control the airplane anymore.
Which is bad because without battery, you can't control the rotor or
Anything.
because
So-
the plane doesn't work.
Yeah, so it will just crash and. Well, yeah, this is a very durable plane, and that's why it is made for beginners because you can crash it and it will still be fine. And we
Wanna test it?
yeah, in another video we will test it. So in conclusion, this plane
No,
is
not yet conclusion. We forgot to tell them something about the radio. Something I really liked about this is that the radio, you can use it with other RC planes. That is really good. So like, if this is your first plane, that's a 3-channel, you can change into your second plane over for a 4-channel, and you don't have to buy another radio, just continue with the same one.
well, yeah, because this is a 4-channel radio and the Champ is a 3-channel airplane. So now, in conclusion, this is a very good plane for your first plane because it is very easy to fly. It's not that very, well, it is cheap, not that very cheap, but cheap for an airplane.
And it has a radio controller that you can use it with other your future RC planes.
And it is ready to fly. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and comment.
And remember,
RC on!